So hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Hitachi and it is a management trainee role. So we'll be looking after the things that you require here, the roles and responsibilities of this role, what is the qualification that is required from you to apply for this role and everything. So watch till the end to know all these things. We will proceed with this video now. Let's start with it. So here is the career page of Hitachi and they are hiring for management trainee role. And if you scroll down, you can look at that the experience that is required for this role is a entry level. That means the freshers can apply for this role. The job location is Bangalore. Now let's look into the roles and responsibilities. Here you should ensure the accuracy, quality and integrity of the data of various systems that is used by L and I team for managing the matter, spend, knowledge, learning management system and etc. Then you should proactively maintain and enforce the document management, retention policies, procedures, and best practices to ensure the optimal data quality for the LNI documents. Then you should serve as a point of contact for the internal and external team for the inquiries, providing timely and professional responses. You should assist in the rolling out new systems, for example, in assisting with the testing or documentation. You should provide a level 1 support in this role where that includes the general user support that is not technical and for the LNI community. Then you should collaborate with the cross-functional team, international teams to support the business objectives and support the continuous improvement. Then you should handle the confidential information and discretion to maintain a high level of professionalism at all the times. So here is the background that they are acquiring from you. You should have a bachelor's degree in business administration, BCA, B.Tech, or a related field. You should have a proficiency in Microsoft Office like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and these things are mandatory. These things are not actually that tough. This is very simple. Microsoft Office are very simple. That is easy to learn for you in just a 1 hour or 2 hour. You can just put it in your resume and apply for this role. As I mentioned, this is an entry level position, so freshers can apply. You should be a self starter who could own the task throughout the completion. Then you should have strong attention to detail, excellent organizational skill, ability to handle a multiple tasks simultaneously, and you should have a proficiency in both speaking and written English language, and that is required for this role. You can't click on apply now here and apply for this role. Add those things that are mandatory for you to put in your resume to increase your scores and skills to show you yourself out of the box of other candidates. So that's it. This job update might get closed anytime, so apply as soon as possible. Don't expect for any deadline. Don't be lazy on this. So apply as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, you need to subscribe, like, share. Let us know your feedback in the comment section, and I will meet in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.